This is Innovledia.
Hello and welcome back. So, in Maya 2023 and 2024, a new attribute has been added within the Create node for objects called the height baseline. Using this, we can change the position of the pivot to top or bottom of the primitive object, or push the object below or above its pivot. The location of this manipulator shows the location of the pivot. By setting this value to 1, we can move the object below its pivot. And by setting it to -1, we can move the object above its pivot. This can be useful in many ways, especially when we want the object to sit on top of the grid and not below it, and also in many other cases. Okay? See you in the next video.